Jeff here, and thanks for joining me today. Appreciate it. Unless you've been living under a rock or away from the cellular towers or the internet service for the last couple of months, they have been advertising that one of my favorite Kiss albums was being released this month on November 19th. It was Friday, 2021. And it was the 45th anniversary of Kiss Destroyer that was released back in March 15th, 1976. So, with all that being said, just to start out, this is the Deluxe Boxset CD, not the Super Deluxe. This is coming with just about everything that the record has, which is here. And I don't have anything opened yet, because I didn't even get a chance to listen to it, but I have the CD, the black vinyl, which comes double, and like I said, I did pick up a second because they're just always so cool to have. So what came with from my record store when I bought the record, it came with a slip mat, which was nice, and I wasn't expecting it because when I pre-ordered it, they didn't tell me that. So the 45th black double album, 180 gram vinyl, came with the slip mat. The Super Deluxe CD box set, that also came with some Kiss memorabilia and collectibles. So that, which surprised me, the CDs came with another slip mat, which was, I was really stoked over that. And when you bought the Super Deluxe box set, you got the Kiss Destroyer poster, 45th anniversary. So that was nice as well, to get that little bit extra in when you're buying a box set for that price. It seems a little pricey, but for what you get out of it, it is a nice box set. And there's nobody does box sets like Kiss does. I mean, it was just 2014 when they put out their Ultimate Vinyl Road Case, which I put out my own. It was just a few years ago, their 40th anniversary, that I did that lamp that's sitting behind me there off to my left, which was a whole lot of fun to make. It's sitting on top of another vinyl box set, the CASABLANCA singles, which is just packed with all their 45 singles from CASABLANCA label. Let's just open this up for today, and we'll save the CD and the vinyl albums. Here is the hype sticker on this one, and let's just go through it real quick. It's the 45th anniversary limited edition Super Deluxe box set. Comes with 4 CDs plus the Blu-ray audio, 73 total tracks, 48 of them unreleased. Original 1976 album, newly remastered, 15 demos, 9 unreleased, 22 rarities, outtakes, alternate versions and mixes, 15 unreleased, officially unreleased concert. That would be the Olympia, Paris in 1976 from May 22nd. And it has the brand new album, Dolby Atmos, and 5.1 surround mixes by Steven Wilson, which is going to be pretty cool to hear if you have 5.1 or better. It's just going to sound normal, I guess, on stereo. It has a 68-page hardcover book featuring new interviews by Gene Simmons, Paul Stanley, Ace Frehley, and other key figures. I'm not saying Peter Criss. Liner notes by Ken Sharp, Paul Elliott, unreleased photos, rare collectibles. There's exclusive collectible bonus items, which is the 1976 Army kit replica. It has an on-tour programming replica, 2 black and white promos, 4 band glossies, 3 stickers, 2 posters, 2 flyers, 2 stage blueprints, 4 brand new trading cards, iron-on, and a track-by-track newspaper, which are all bonuses that are going to be in the Kiss Army pack. So that is the box set. What comes with it. I'm not going to go through each one in length because, as I've seen just within the last couple of days of this release, the YouTube is filled with these. So this is just a little documentary for my purposes and for anybody else who wants to see a quick version of it. It is still sealed, as is all my vinyl and CD, but this is the one I want to get into first because of all of that packaging that comes with it. And I haven't had a Kiss Army collection pack since I was a kid. So, and I do want to save the hype sticker as well. Put the lid. Set that off to the side. And the first thing you see is the book, the hardcover book. Has the little pull tab to pull this out. So there is a 68-page hardcover book with the handwritten side 1, the song titles. I'm just seeing this for the first time, so I'm just kind of intrigued by it. There is the spine. And I guess this is representing the master tape that was done for the album. So let's just take a quick look at some of the photos in here. Different versions of the album. The cover art. There's the German, Japan. There's a US, looks like the Resurrected, which was originally supposed to be the Destroyer cover, but was deemed a little too graphic at the time. So yeah, this is going to be an interesting book to go through with some photos and the iconic Spirit of 76 poster, which hung on my wall in my bedroom at home for years, and I wish I still had that. So yes, definitely a nice book to go through. Like I said, 68 pages, absolutely very nice size of the record album. This appears to be, yes it is, the Kiss Army book that you would have gotten. And this has a bunch of bonus stuff that's in it. You get sticker, Kiss Army, which I believe is a bonus because I don't think that came with the original. There's the Destroyer sticker. Kiss's Detroit Rock City bumper sticker. We have the iconic Chopper trading cards. There's 4 of them. We have a Kiss iron-on. The bonus, this is one of the new bonus photos. They did some double exposures, and there's another one. Even some triple exposures on it. Very nice. Another Destroyer. This one is a foil poster. That's nice. That almost resembles the very cover of the box set. This one is just an advertisement. I believe this one was marked as a Canadian advertisement for Destroyer, which was nice to throw that in. And the poster at London. That's nice too. You have your Kiss Army card. Now these were I think this side looks like what was all originally put into the KISS Army kit when you got it. This is Meet the Members. Again, 2 black and whites of the album, Destroyer, and the band. Their discography at this point from '76, which is their first 3 and the first Alive. Destroyer had Knocking Out at this point. And your KISS Army certificate. Like I said, these are all replicas. And of course the newsletter. This is volume 1 and 2. Introducing themselves, talking about them, inside KISS. So that is nice, that is cool, and that is what we got in here. Next thing coming up is supposed to be all sorts of posters, a replica of the tour book from back in '76 from the Destroyer tour, which is nice. KISS Army in the back, and some photos, which I'm going to be going through these page by page down the road. So that is another bonus with the New York skyline off the Empire State Building. Very cool. One is from their Halloween special back in '76, which would have been the Paul Lynn Halloween special, which I have never missed that. Every year I watch that. So lots of cool stuff for this box set, and for the price it is not bad. You got the blueprints for the Destroyer stage, 2 of those, very nice. And the KISS Destroyer newspaper, I guess they want to call it, track by track. So there's everything in here with Destroyer and KISS, and that takes care of that packet, which gets us into the CDs, which are at the bottom. So there is the first disc, which is the originally album remastered. Okay, disc 2 is Destroyer, the demos. Then disc 4, this one is the Paris concert, live in Paris, the L'Olympia, May 22nd, 1976. And of course, the Blu-ray audio. So that is the box set. That is my pickups for Friday, November 19th, with the release of this Destroyer 45th album anniversary. Guys, definitely go get it. Fantastic box set. Get so much more for your money compared to just getting the CD or the vinyl. They're going to be great. They're priced, so that everybody can enjoy a little bit of the history. Get out there, go grab it if you haven't seen it or heard of it or even saw it yet. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.